Guide to file Form RFD-01 on GST portal.
Hello friends, today we will see step by step how to claim refund of unutilized balance of a credit ledger used to make export of goods or services. When can a registered person claim refund of balance of a credit ledger? There are two cases in the Act. One is when registered person has made a zero-rated supply of goods or services as per the Act, without payment of GST tax thereon. Other cases, inverted tax structure. Today we will discuss about refund application in a zero-rated supply of goods or services case. Before that we must understand what is a zero-rated supply of goods or services as per the Act. There are two types of zero-rated supply. One is export of goods or services. In case of export of services outside India, it is necessary that the consideration of supply is received in convertible foreign exchange as per the Act to be qualified as an export supply outside India. There is no such condition in export of goods. The other is supply of goods or services to special economic zones developer or unit. How to determine amount of ITC in a credit ledger eligible for refund under zero-rated supply of goods or services. First step is calculation of turnover of zero-rated supply of goods or services. It is clear that the turnover of zero-rated supply of goods will include the turnover of export of goods outside India and supply of goods to special economic zones units or developer during the turnover of zero-rated supply of services will include only export of service outside India, wherein the consideration is in convertible foreign exchange, and supply of service to special economic zone unit or developer. Further, it is necessary to a certain stage of completion of supply of service over payment received thereof. If payment received during tax period, but the service supply is not completed, then such advance will be reduced from aggregate. And similarly, if payment was received at any time prior to relevant tax period and completion of service falls during period, then amount of such sum will be added to the payments received during period to compute turnover of zero-rated supply of services. Next step is calculation of eligible input tax as follows. All ITC during refund period except following four. Number 1, ITC in respect of any capital goods. Number 2, ITC of inputs or input services used exclusively to make exempt nil-rated supply. Number 3, blocked credit as per section 17(5) of GST Act 2017. Number 4, ITC in respect of which refund is claimed under Rule 89(4)(a), Rule 89(4)(b). At next step, adjusted total turnover is calculated as described in chart. Finally, we will arrive at ITC eligible for refund that can be determined as follows.